welcome to Cycle Basket. In today's video we are going to draw a monkey, and not just any monkey. We're going to draw a monkey hanging from a tree. So let's start. What you need is your sheet of paper and some colors. To start, take your page lengthwise. See, the longer side is standing up and the shorter side is lying down. So at the top of the page, draw one straight line. This is going to be the tree, the branch of the tree, and draw another shorter line on top. I'm not drawing it all the way, just about 3/4 the way. Then leave a gap, measure it with 1 finger or 2 fingers. Let's do 1 finger gap, and then extend that line all the way to the end of the page. You'll see why we've done that in just a minute. So that's our branch of the tree. For our monkey, we'll begin with his face. Draw an oval on the page, a lying down oval. This is going to be his mouth. And on top of that, draw a big semicircle for the monkey's face. And his ears. You can draw big ears for a monkey. There you go. All done. That's his face. Let's draw another line inside the ears. We will color it in 2 different colors later, dark brown and light brown. Give him some eyes, big bright eyes. Color inside, leave a little gap and color inside. Remember how we learned to color eyes? A circle, inner circle, inner circle. You only color the one in the middle. Let's give our monkey a smile. He's happy. And let's give him a little nose. That's our monkey's face. Moving on to his body, draw a big oval. This is going to be our monkey's tummy. And draw a smaller oval inside it. This is his tummy. This is his body. His arms and legs are going to come out of his body. Now for one arm, we're going to take it all the way to the branch that we drew. And remember the gap that we left? We're going to draw fingers through that gap. 1, 2, 3, just like that. So it looks like the monkey is hanging from the branch. That's one arm. The second arm can go downwards. Just like that. And draw a banana over here. One semicircle. And from the edges you make another circle. And a little stem on top. This is going to be the monkey's banana. And he's holding this with his hands. So draw his fingers. You see? You following? Good. Draw his legs, 2 lines, curvy lines, and 1 foot. Let's give him 3 toes. Same thing for his other leg, 2 curvy lines. This is his foot. And he has 3 little toes. What's missing? Our monkey is missing something very important. Can you guess what it is? He has a face, he has a tummy, he has arms, legs. What's he missing? He's missing a tail. All monkeys have tails. So let's draw one long tail. Curvy line. Just any way you want. And draw another line around it. This is going to be a monkey's tail, which is waving in the air. Now, yes, so our monkey is ready. We just need to draw some leaves for the branch. One semicircle, another semicircle. 1 and 2. Same thing over here. And go along the whole branch and draw these 2 semicircles. Do the same thing on the other side, but upside down. These are the leaves of the tree. Perfect! Our monkey is ready. All we need to do now is color it in. What colors are monkeys? Monkeys are usually brown, and today I'll be using color pencils. You can use your sketch pens, paint, anything you want. Let's take light brown and dark brown, two colors for the monkey's body. Okay, so I'll take dark brown first and color his arms. Okay, that's one arm that's holding the banana, and the other arm with which he's hanging from the tree. Don't forget the fingers. The fingers on the other one also. Perfect. The legs will also be dark brown. Color in the other leg. All the way to the end. Perfect. And let's color the tail also dark brown. A monkey's got a really long tail, doesn't he? Waving in the air. Color the tail all the way till the end. Don't leave any gaps. This monkey is hanging from a tree. We've not drawn the whole tree, just one branch of it. But he's hanging with just one arm. So he must be really strong. With the same dark brown color, color this part of the body, just the outside, not the center, just the outside part. Color it in dark brown. This is his tummy. Probably got a whole load of bananas in there. Eaten since morning. Plucking them off trees, jumping around, swinging on trees. We've got this done. Dark brown. Perfect. Do the same thing with the ears. Just this outside part. We're not coloring inside. Just this outside part. Dark brown. Same thing on the other ear. Done. For his face, let's color just the top portion, not this part, not the mouth, just this semicircle on the top in dark brown. Don't color inside the eyes, just outside them. Make an outline if you want, like that. Color around them. Perfect. Almost there. Dark brown is done. Now take your other light brown color and color whatever is remaining on his body. Start with his tummy, light brown. Color the whole thing. It's got a nice big belly. He's eaten a lot, this monkey. Lots of bananas. Do the same color on his mouth also. Don't color inside his mouth, just the rest of it. Brown and light brown in his ears. The part that we left. Done. Our monkey is colored in. Take your dark brown color again for the branch of the tree. Just the branch. You'll color the leaves green. The branch can be brown. And color it all the way till the end in brown color. Done. Next we are going to color the leaves. He's holding a banana, but these leaves are not of a banana tree. This is some other tree. Maybe it's right next to the banana tree. And he's plucked some bananas from the banana tray and he's come here to eat it. For the leaves, I'm going to color alternate leaves in dark green and light green. You can do the same or you can color them all in the same color. Coloring them alternately makes them look a little more bright and colorful. So that is dark green, leaf 1, this one again is dark green. Coloring it in completely. Leave this one, next one, dark green. Perfect. And then leave this one, the next one is this. Alternate leaves are dark green. Leave this one, come back to this. Dark green, and this can be light green. Now I'm going to go and color the rest of them light green. That looks nice. I like this green color. Coloring them all in. Light green. Done. One very important thing is left, and that is to color in the monkey's food, which is what? Which is the banana he's holding. What colors are bananas? Yes, yellow. So we're going to color the banana yellow. Perfect. All done. That's our drawing for today. Let us know how you go. Color it in, draw with us, share some pictures. We're signing off now. Thanks. Bye.